Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how I install FitGirl games the easiest way. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. First, follow this video steps to download the game correctly, and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings and turn off the real-time protection, and then select Minimize this page. And now open this folder and double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And then select the next option. Select next. Make sure nothing is running in the background. And then select browse and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. In game language, you just need to select your preferred language, guys, and then scroll down and check these options, guys. Update DirectX, download and install Visual C++, and check all these three options and then select install option. After this game installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. Then just to close stuff here and select the uncheck open the site and then select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay and there is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and the game will launch. Select the allow option. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And now you will never face a game related problem, guys. No fight level, guys. Thank you.